Good morning, everybody. This morning we are adventuring up towards Highway 1. It's also known as the Pacific Coast Highway. And I think we're going to stop in Santa Barbara first, and from there we're going to head over to Solvang. Solvang is an old Dutch-looking town, and it's pretty nifty. And then Santa Barbara just has all kinds of things. It's got some wine country, it's got some coastline and stuff like that. So stick around with us today, guys. It should be a good adventure. Hey guys, we stopped at Steam Wharf in Santa Barbara, and they've got all kinds of like people with like little crafty things and whatnot. We're just kind of winging this road trip today, which is kind of what we do best. But yeah, when we're done here, I think we're going to Knapp Falls or something like that. It's some falls that Kayla's picked out that they look pretty cool. And
it's not falls, it's a castle. We're not going to any waterfall.
You said we were going to that one you showed me this morning.
I did not show you any this morning. I showed you one last night and said it's been closed since 2014 because of landslides.
She's lying to you. Anywho, we're going to something. I guess we're going to a castle, Knapp Castle, or something along those lines. Who knows? So guys, we're out here on Stearns Wharf, and we've been enjoying the view. It's kind of beautiful around here. We can sit out here, see the beach, see out into the ocean and everything. And then we just stopped at Moby Dick's and got a clam chowder filled bread bowl.
Pretty good.
We've never been up here to Santa Barbara before, but so far we're liking it. Kayla says it's just more reason for her to have to come back here to Southern California. Hey guys, we're here at Knapp's Castle, and it's back here behind me somewhere. I don't actually know what it is or why it's here. I don't think Kayla knows either. But there's like a half-mile walk in, and it's kind of just absolutely gorgeous back here, as you can see. But yeah, we're just kind of heading up the trail. It's not like it's a hard hike or anything. It's just, I mean, you can see behind us it's a road. Hey guys, we were driving a little more, and now we stopped at Gaviota Hot Springs, or something like that. We got like a 0.3 mile hike ahead of us here to get up to them. We just started out. Kayla's excited to see these two. Once again, I don't really know anything about it, so we'll learn more when we get there. Hey guys, we gave up on finding the hot springs. We walked in like a half mile, and it was like uphill the entire way. We never ended up finding the hot springs, and then there was a jogger that came up by, and we asked her if she knew where they were, and she's like, oh yeah, it's like another half mile that direction. And so what's supposed to be a 0.3 mile walk in, I guess, is actually like a mile or more. And we didn't feel like doing a 2-mile hike today at this point in time, at least, so we just turned around. No hot springs for you. walked up to some falls. I'm not going to even attempt to pronounce the name, I'll just put it up on the screen. And we got up to pretty close to where the falls would actually be, but they've got the trail blocked because of rock slides and mudslides and junk. So we couldn't get to this thing either, so yeah. Now we're 2 for 2 on trying to show you guys things and not being able to show you. Hey guys, we just made it to Solvang, and like its biggest attraction here is its architecture and the food and stuff. And you know, anytime there's good food to be had, I'm all over that. Here's the name of the town and their little flag. Now, take it with a grain of salt the way I'm saying the name as any place we go, because there's a fairly good chance that I'm just completely butchering it, but you know, that is what it is, and that's another story entirely. Kayla's enjoying Solvang because she gets to go in all the shops and try all the foods. She was in a bakery, and I think she was in heaven in there. And then we went into another place that had a bunch of cheeses and stuff. I don't think she found anything in there she particularly cared for. Hey guys, we were just here at this place, I think it's Staccato Vineyards, and we were doing some wine tastings. We got the little flights. We each got 5 different wines to try, plus I asked them if we could try an extra one, and they gladly let us. And you know, that's how it is with most of the wine tasting places, they just tell you to have at it. And so now we're kind of wandering across the street here. Kayla wants to try some weird pastry thing from this place over here at the Solvang restaurant. And there's a big old line, so it must be half decent, or at least it's something you have to try. We lost Kayla. Kayla can't cross the road by herself.
Shop. I had to go look at the chocolate shop.
Kayla is like a small child. She was distracted by the chocolate shop. Alright, so now we're in line for Kayla's whatever this thing is. She wants that thing. I don't know what it is, and once again, I'm not trying.
Can I have the
Able skewers
without the ice cream?
What's the correct way to say that?
Able skewer.
Able skewer. Okay.
Hey, so Kayla's got her able skeevers. She's been telling me all day about how she wants to try these things. Really good?
Uh-huh. Oh yeah.
They look like half-fried donut, half-fried Oreo with no Oreo in the middle.
It's like a donut funnel cake with raspberry jam and powdered sugar.
That sounds pretty good.
You gotta try a bite. You get 1.5.
Listen to that. She's already splitting them up in her head. I won't dare accidentally touch hers. That's how you lose a finger. It's actually really good. Hey guys, so we just got done eating here in Solvang, and I think we're probably done for the day. We're gonna probably try to drive another hour and a half, 2 hours tonight, just to get us a little closer to Big Sur. But there really shouldn't be a whole lot of scenery and stuff we're passing up tonight, so I think we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. And with that being said, if you guys enjoyed today's video, give me a big thumbs up. I hope you come back, like my channel, subscribe, and I'll see you all later.